Good day. Today is another wonderful day of mathematics, and we will be learning Introduction to Logarithms. Okay, so first let us have the definition of logarithm. So, what is this logarithm? Let A, B, and C be positive real numbers such that B is not equal to 1. So, the logarithm of A with base B is denoted by, it should be small b, is denoted by, so this is read as the logarithm of A with base B and is defined as the logarithm of A with base B is equal to C if and only if B raised to C is equal to A. So, logarithm class is the inverse of exponential functions or exponential equations. Okay, so here are the different reminders. So, number one, in both the logarithmic and exponential forms, B is the base. Okay, so in this notation, log of A with base B, the B here is the base. So, as in, for example, this is the exponential form. This is the exponential form. We know that in B raised to C, B is the base and is the exponent. Okay? And equals A, wherein A is the value of the logarithm. Okay? So, if we're going to rewrite this, yung B raised to C is equal to A into logarithmic form. So, it will become the logarithm of A with base B is equal to C. So, yung pinaka-equal niya dito or value ng logarithm is the exponent. Okay? So, let us have more. In the exponential form, C is an exponent. This implies that the logarithm is actually an exponent. Yun nga daw yun. So, pag sinabi nating logarithm, ang hinahanap natin dyan ay yung exponent in exponential form. Hence, logarithmic and exponential functions are inverses. Okay? So, next, in the logarithmic form, the logarithm of x with base b, x cannot be negative. So, x daw is cannot be, it should be b. B should be, cannot be negative. And the value of the logarithm of x with base b can be negative. Okay? So, those are a few reminders. Okay, what is common logarithms? Are logarithms with base 10. So, logarithm of x with base 10 is written uh, in this like this notation. So, kapag walang nakasulat na base, 'di ba? Pag sinabi nating base, yun yung pinaka-subscript, nakasulat lang siya dito sa baba na maliit. Ito 'yon. So, ito yung shortcut sa pagsusulat ng logarithm of x with base 10. Kapag base 10, hindi na natin nilalagay yung base or yung subscript. So, kapag ganito, it is understood na siya ay nasa base 10. Okay? So, yan ang common logarithms. What are natural logarithms? So, natural logarithms are logarithms to the base e approximately 2.71828 and are denoted by ln. So, this is small l and small n. So, ln or ln x, ang basa dyan is ln x is another way of writing the logarithm of x to the base e. So, kapag base e, yan ay natural logarithms. And kapag sinulat natin into logarithmic form, yan ay ln. So, ln x. Okay, let us have some examples. So, rewrite the following exponential equation in logarithmic form whenever possible. Okay, so let us answer number 1. So, how are we going to write this into logarithmic form? Number 1, 5 raised to the third power or 5 cubed is equal to 125. So, ire-rewrite natin siya as logarithm. So, kapag logarithm, so syempre meron tayong notation na log. Okay? So, but then we're going to use yung may subscript. Lagyan natin ang with subscript. Ano ba yun? Ay, hindi ko makita pala. Okay, wait. So, yung pag may subscript, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, the logarithm of 125. So, dito natin ilalagay yung 125 to the base, anong base natin dito? 5. To the base 5 is equal to, so yung nandito sa right side, yun yung exponent. So, yun yung value. Ito yung value ng logarithm. Yung exponent is equal to 3. Okay, so 5 cubed equals 125 can be written this way. So, the logarithm of, eto yon, 125 with, eto yung base, with base 5 is equal to 3, yung exponent dito. Okay, so let us have number 2. So, 7 raised to negative 2 is equal to 1 over 49. So, mayroon tayong base. So, copy na lang natin to para mabilis. So, the logarithm of, natin yung 5. The logarithm of, ito yung susulat natin, 1 over 49. The logarithm of 1 over 49 with base, what is the base here? 7. With base 7 what is the exponent? Negative 2. So that is the logarithmic form of number 2. Let us proceed with number 3. So in number 3, the given is 10 squared is equal to 100. So we can see here that the base is 10. So no need to write the subscript. So lalagay na lang natin the logarithm of 100 is equal to, what is the exponent? 2. So, no need to write the base 10 kasi this is a common logarithm. Okay? Number 4. So, anong base natin? 4. Meron tayong base 4. So, ay mali. Copy natin to kasi kailangan natin yung subscript. So, the logarithm of, hindi natin na-copy yung subscript. So, kailangan natin ma-copy. So, the logarithm of 1, the logarithm of 1, so 1 yung value niya ng exponential form, to the base with base 4 is equal to, what is the exponent? Is equal to 0. Okay, so ganun lang yan. So, number 5 is e squared is equal to x. So, this is a natural logarithm. So, how to write this? So, we know that is natural logarithm. So, we will use the ln. So, what is the value? Ln x is equal to, what is the exponent? The exponent here is 2. Simple as that. Okay, number 6. Negative 2 squared is equal to 4. Okay, so can you write this in logarithmic form? So, this is not possible kasi yung base natin is negative 2. Diba sabi, yung base b must be positive number and not equal to 1. So, hindi pwede yung negative at hindi rin puwedeng maging 1 to. Kapag 1 to, hindi natin siya puwedeng, isulat as logarithmic or logarithm. So, not possible. Okay? So, that is how to rewrite the exponential form into logarithmic form. Okay, let us have the uh, inverse. So, now we are going to rewrite the given logarithms or the logarithmic equation in exponential form naman. So, kapag exponential form naman, titingnan muna natin yung base. So, ano yung base natin? So, ang base natin is 3. So, maglagay muna tayo ng notation ng ah, exponential. Okay? So, ang base natin is 3. So, base 3. So, eto yung exponent, yung value ng logarithm. So, ilalagay natin 4 is equal to eto, 81. Susulat natin. So, that is the exponential form of the logarithm of 81 with base 3 is equal to 4. Okay, let us have number 2. So, sa number 2, ano yung base natin dito? So, walang nakasulat. So, it means that is 10. So, the base is 10. And what is our exponent? Our exponent is n. So, to the n power. Asan na yung n? Okay? Is equal to, ay mali. Is equal to what? M. So, yung logarithm of M. Yan. So, that is the exponential form. Number 3, the logarithm of 2 with base 2 is equal to 1/2. So, our base here is 2 with an exponent of 1/2. So, our exponent is 1/2. So, wait lang. Ito na lang, i-copy natin para hirap mag-encode kasi ng mga mathematical symbols. So, base 2 to, so our exponent is fraction. So, nasa na yung fraction natin? Ito, dapat fraction siya. Ay, sorry, mali. So, wait lang po. Yan ang struggle ng pag-encode ng mga math symbols. So, ayan. Ay, sorry. Ayaw niyang mabura. My God. Wait lang po. Okay. Okay. So, this one should be the fraction, yung exponent. Ayan. So, 2 raised to 1/2 is ay, sorry. Struggle is real. What? Hindi ko siya masulatan sa denominator. So, 1/2. Lipat na kasi siya dun. My God. Hindi ko siya masulat dito. Ayan, 1/2. So, 2 raised to 1/2, sorry, take time, is equal to 2. Ito yung ilalagay natin. Yung logarithm of 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so that is the exponential form. 2 raised to 1/2 is equal to 2. Okay, let us have number 4. So, ln 8 equals A. So, this is a natural logarithm. So, in exponential form, Our base here is E. So, so copy na lang ulit tayo ng exponential. So, our base is E. Base E. Our exponent, what is our exponent? Ito yung nandito. A. E raised to A is equal to what? Is equal to ln 8 is 8. Okay, so as easy as that. Okay, number 5. The logarithm of 64 over 27 with base 3/4 is equal to negative 3. So our base is fraction, 3/4. Okay, so kuha tayo ng fraction dito. Oh, wrong muna. Mali. So, ito muna exponential form. And then, yung base natin, change into fraction. And so our base is 3/4, 3 over 4. Our exponent is negative 3. So, yan, negative 3 is equal to, what is the logarithm of 64 over 27. Okay, yan. So, nakikita nyo yung struggle ko pag nagpe-prepare ng ating lesson. So, that is 64 over 27. So, that is the exponential form of the number 5. Okay? So, let us have next. Examples, evaluate each logarithm. When we say evaluate each logarithm, so we're going to find its value, and its value is the exponent. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, we're going to find the exponent if it is in exponential form. Okay, to solve that, so number 1, the logarithm of 5 with base 5. So, what is the value of this? So, di ba, kung yan ay logarithm of 5 to the base 5, you are looking for the value of its value. And let us use the variable x para ma-solve natin yung value nito or the exponent. Okay, first, what are we going to do? Let us write this in exponential form. Okay, so 5 is the base. So, inverses kasi sila kaya mas madaling isolve siya through exponential form. Our base is 5. And of course, we are looking for the exponent. Kaya we use the variable x to solve for the exponent is equal to, sorry, is equal to, ayan, hindi ako makababa, is equal to the logarithm of 5 is equal to 5. So, di ba, our rule, kapag ganito, kapag nagsosolve tayo ng exponential equation, we have to make the base equal. Now, the base are equal. So, kapag wala nakasulat na exponent yung 5, meron niyang 1. Kaya, ang answer natin dito is, anong answer natin dyan? X is equal to 1. Okay? So, 1 yan kasi may 1 na nakalagay dito. And then, pwede na nating makancel yung bases kasi parehas naman yan. So, kaya ang answer ay x equals to 1. Okay, let us have number 2. What's your problem? Punta siya sa... Okay, number 2. Sorry. The logarithm of 32 to the base 2 is equal to, what is the value of this? Okay, let us use x again. Okay, what is our base? Yahin muna natin to para mas mabilis. Our base is 2. So, base 2. So, our exponent is x. So, we're going to solve for that. Is equal to 32. So, again, our first goal is to write the or rewrite the base in or make the base equal. So, 2 raised to x, copy natin, bring it down, is equal to, can we write 32 with base 2? So, yes. So, 32 is 2 raised to what? 2 raised to 5. Is that correct? So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So now that our base are equal, we can now equate the exponent. So therefore, the exponent are x is equal to 5. So yan yung answer natin. So the value of the logarithm of 32 with base 2 is 5. Okay, let us have number 3. Ano na ba nangyayari dito? Ang lalayo na nila. Number 3, iba yung number. Wait lang ha, ayusin natin. So, lagyan natin to ng underline yung answer. Okay, number 3. So, the logarithm of 25 with base 5 is equal to, we're going to find its value which is represented by the variable x. So, our base is 5. So, ilagay natin dito, base 5. Of course, we are looking for the exponent x is equal to 25. Ganun lang. So, again, make the bases equal. Kailangan equal yung base. So, 5 raised to x. Can we write 25 as base 5? Yes. So, 25 is equal to 5 squared. Diba? 5 times 5 is 25. Kapag equal na yung bases, we can equate the exponent. So, therefore, exponent is x is equal to 2. So, our answer is 2. Okay. Number 4. Okay, number 4, the logarithm of 16 with base 1/2. So, our base now is 1/2 or fraction na. Papalitan natin itong ating base ng fraction. So, nasaan na yung fraction natin? It's here. So, yan. Parahin na lang natin to. Ay, mali. Yan. So, sobra ng isa. So, our base is 1/2. My God. With, ang exponent natin, syempre dito ay x pa rin. Yun yung sinusolve natin. Is equal to 16. Okay? So, now, we're going to make the bases equal. So, paano nang gagawin natin? So, write muna natin to. And base 2. Ang 16, pwede natin siyang isulat as base 2. Base 2 siya, 2 raised to 4. Okay? So, 2 raised to 4 ang 16 is 2 raised to 4. Diba? But then, what we need is 1/2. And we know that 1/2 is the reciprocal of 2. So, para siya maging 1/2 yung 2, ire-reciprocal natin. Paano ire-reciprocal? So, yung exponent ay gagawin nating negative. So, yan. So, yung exponent na 4, para siya maging 1/2 yung 2, gagawin nating negative 4 na. So, therefore, equal na yung bases. So, pwede na nating i-equate yung exponent. So, Our answer now is x is equal to negative 4. So that's our answer. X equals negative 4. So, underline natin. Okay, let us have number 5. So, angat na lang tayo. Sa taas natin ilagay yung number 5. Ito na lang siya. Number 5 here. So, we're going to solve the logarithm of 0.001. So, walang nakasulat na base. So, it means that this is in base 10. Okay? So, igawin natin siyang exponential form. So, base 10, of course, hinahanap natin yung exponent na x. Okay? So, base 10, happy muna tayo ng isa. Wait lang. So, base 10. 10 ang base natin. So, our exponent is ito, x, is equal to, ano daw? Equals to 0.001. So, yung 0.001 ba pwede natin gawing base 10? Of course, yes. So, magiging, yan, teka lang. So, ay, sorry. 10, ay, sorry, Anna. Ba yan? Wala, dapat nag-new, ano na lang ako. Teka lang, mag-new. Wait lang, ha. Cut. Wait lang, sorry. New text box na lang tayo. For number 5. Sorry. I'm so sorry. So, for number 5, yan. Ba yan? Okay. Number 5, so, is equal to 0.001. Ay, sobra na isang 0. Okay. So, we're going to make the bases equal. So, gagawin natin silang base 10. So, 10 raised to x is equal to ang 0.001 is, pag ginawa natin siyang fraction, that is 1/1000. So, para siya maging, kasi yan ay nakaano siya, 1/1000. Magiging 10 raised to ang 0.001 ay 10 raised to ilang places yan? 1, 2, 3. So, that is negative 3. Okay? So, yan yung 0.001. Okay? And then, we can now, since the bases are equal, we can now equate the exponent. So, our answer is negative 3. Okay, pasensya na, busy ako sa keyboard. So, our answer is negative 3. Okay? So, that's all for today. Or for summative test number 1. Ito yung a-answeran nyo. So, for 1 to 5, we're going to rewrite the following exponential equation into logarithmic form if possible. And then for 6 to 10, we'll rewrite the following logarithmic equation into exponential form naman. And then for number 11 to 15, you're going to evaluate the following logarithm. So you're going to find their value or the exponent. Okay, so I'll give you the link for this, and for those who can who wasn't able to answer the link, pwede naman po mag-answer sa paper then submit na lang po during our retrieval. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you and enjoy solving!